Finally, last example. This one is actually kind of interesting. We're talking about psychology, and I know some of you guys are training to be psychics, and so, or maybe psychos. I'm not sure exactly which one is, but we'll go with psychics. What happens is we have some of you guys were given an exam and then retested monthly with almost the exact same exam. Here your average scores for the class were given by the human memory model. F of t equals 78 minus 17 log of t plus 1, where t is in months, and that's going to be from 0 to 12. So time 0 would be like before, your original exam. So your original exam, because that, each when you plug in a 1, that's would be a month later, 2 would be 2 months later, so it's like your second and your third exam. So if you want to figure out what the average score is on your original exam, you just say t equals 0. So if we want to find f of 0, you say 78 minus 17 times the log of 0 plus 1, which is just log of 1. And if you remember correctly, if you have a log of 1, what is the log of 1? Grace?
It's 0!
Nice job. So what you get is this just cancels, which also cancels out your 17. So the average score in your original exam was just 78. Nice job. For B, what was the average score after 3 months? All you're doing is just plugging these values in for t. So you had to find f of 3, which gives you 78 minus 17 log of 3 plus 1. See, 3 plus 1. So that's 4. So you're going to find the log of 4. So you're going to take 78 minus 17 times the log of 4. And the nice thing is about these graphing calculators, you just type everything in that you see. And oh gosh, the average went down. That's just not good. Not good. Not good at all. So you end up, and the average went down to 67. We'll just round up to 68. We'll say the new average was a 68. Wow, it went down. So maybe you guys don't learn more the more you see it. Or maybe you're just forgetting stuff. That could be a possibility. And f of 11. So 78 minus 17 log of 11 plus 1. See, 11 plus 1, that's carry the 7. That's 12. So we're going to type in 78 minus 17. 17 log of 12. And you end up getting a 59. Well, we'll round up. We'll say 60. That way you're passing anyway. So the average is 60. Well, what could explain these test scores going down? Well, probably the people haven't seen the material. So this kind of gives you a little idea of what happens when you get towards a final exam. If you haven't seen the material throughout the whole semester, then you're going to start probably forgetting some of this. So what I may start doing, maybe this gives me a little idea. Might give me a little idea. So maybe we'll come up with something, some kind of review every now and then. That way you guys kind of know, you're ready for the final, because it always stinks to study at the end. I mean, seriously, who is going to study for a final exam? It's not like your grade really depends on it. So at that, I will bid you adieu and hope you guys enjoy your evenings thoroughly. Or maybe you're watching this in the morning, so thoroughly enjoy your morning as well. Mr. Klein out.